I'll get practice soon.
Okay,
Don't
dude,
worry.
I'm all ready. I'm all ready.
We'll let
This
one
meeting
person
has
speak
been
at one time.
recorded.
Cool. So, okay.
It may be uploaded directly itself.
Okay. So the reason we are doing this is because I hate Tanmay Bhatt. Tanmay Bhatt is pretty cool, but I think we can do it much better. And I think even if we see a stand-up comedy video, I think we can nail it. So let's see how we're going to do this. So we're going to roast everyone. Not usually my. So we'll start with the most mature person. I see that the reason I wanted to do this roast is because I want to start with the most mature person over here, like the Gandalf of our group, Sheel Jhaveri. And Sheel, this is just for you, bro. Just for you. So.
1, 2, 3, water community.
Is it broken now?
But who are we?
Yes! Who are we?
What the?
Yeah,
G, Satya, you, J, J.
Abbe, Jamnagar.
I'm doing this for a wedding. Hi, Gujjo boy. So good to have a Gujjo friend because you're pretty sure they'll give you a dhokla, but not dhokas in life. So that is something which I really need in my life.
All right.
Careful now, Derek.
Seen some of the dhokas I get in life, but yeah, dhokla is always good. The best part about getting a dhokla is, like getting a dhokla wala friend is like you travel anywhere, there always be papadas with you. So I went to Goa for Goa ride. We were super hungry, bro. This motherfucker brings a dhokla with him and a pretty papada on a fucking road
Oh
trip.
shit.
But yeah, but I like the way she balances his life, like his career life and his love life. They're so parallel to each other. Like he had the most prestigious school, like simply out of his league. He had like a school out of his league, just like his first girlfriend, out of his fucking league. Then after that, this boy, he chooses to go to Choksi school, Gujarati school. His parents love it. Science, just like his second most important girlfriend, where she filled all the tick marks. But bhai, chutya nikla. He thought he'll go for engineering. Where he thought that things will work out. He won't need any more Gujaratis in his life, and that turned out to be the most toxic thing in his life. We don't need to say names. Then after that, he chose Christ College, where he got a job in one of the most good colleges, Christ College, K, which is Christ College, but yeah, it's still kind of good. But yeah, it's fine. And now he's pretty much settled with the dreams of his life. Nothing else. So yeah, that is his thing. But bro, I seriously it's so good to have you around because I like fucking ganders in the group. Any can't we do? But yeah, Sheel, hello Sheel. Sheel. Oh wait, so the camera's not breaking. It's just that he's so used to crashing with the bikes.
I so saw that comment, dude. Oh fuck.
But yeah, then that's the thing. But then it's okay, it's good to have a vegetarian friend. I don't know how the fuck he's a vegetarian because his best friend is a lady chef. That's different that he gives me raw beef to eat. But yeah, cool, that's fine. So anyways, talking about raw beef and like people who always eat food. So Venkatesham Tenava, we're talking about food, so obviously I have to go to our Mallu friend Derek. Seriously, there's this rumor going on that you have chicken so much, you have so much of non-veg that even on Good Friday and days when you'll have to fast, you'll have soya bean. Is that true? Dude?
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Soya bean is not even allowed in. Soya bean is not even allowed in
but...
Sheel's house. So the problem of every Malayali thing is the reason they have a bad liver is because when they say they're going to drink, it is like, bro, when they say they're going to drink, they're actually going for a fucking drink. They always have alcohol in their house.
Sure,
I think
man.
you'll need to say water and beer is two different things.
Yeah.
But anyways, Derek, I can't say much about it. Means like your love life has been such an inspiration to all of us. Just like Donald Trump's, presidency. But yeah, cool.
Ouch. Okay.
Yeah, it's fine, dude. You went to Kendra Vidyalaya. I was so jealous of people who went to Kendra Vidyalaya. Because they get to play everything, all the instruments, everything. It's so sad nobody wanted to play only with you. I mean, obviously with your guitar, which only you get to touch.
Okay. Oh shit.
But then it's fine, dude. It's what can I say? Don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. If you really want to feel bad, there is Ashwin's poetry.
Okay, dude. Go.
No, if you want to feel bad, there's Ashwin's poetry. And if you want to go more darker than that, there is She's poetry too.
Oh shit.
But yeah, Ashwin, how do you manage? Like, it is so good that you had to fucking create another account because of all the reports you got of the poetry. And that was you have to say Mr. Somebody. Mr. Somebody, why the fuck, dude? Why somebody, dude? Anyways, it's okay, dude. You know, Ashwin, was the best part of having you around. It's like all the single ladies want you. Like, you are the thing they want to go for. You know, they like there's that key, and then they see you and they're like, "Ha, I dildo ko maine touch hi nahi kiya, yaar." And obviously, all the beard is there down, so they remove all the hair which just comes out when they keep touching it. But cool. But you see, Ashwin, the problem is, I really want to make jokes on you, but then the problem is, you are so racial, dude. Like, you're fucking into all the races. Let it be, the Black Lives. Or let it be Maharashtra, like BJP will come and fuck me for this. I don't know, sorry, dude. But you're like the Orange Army, dude. By Orange Army, I mean Sunrisers Hyderabad. this kid. But cool, dude. You smoke up so much, bro. I'm pretty sure when you were a child and you saw that pharmacist shop and they wrote druggist store, they're like, Bhaiya, ek cocaine dena. I mean, crossing, dude. Like, cut. Yeah, I am crossing. The only headache I have is my nothing sex life. Cool.
Oh shit.
Nice. Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah. So we're going to.
You took my joke. You took one of my
All
jokes.
right.
I'm gonna kill you for that.
You're sure, bro? You took the
Okay,
girl,
dude.
Maro. You always take the girls. We don't be complaining about that.
We'll see
Alright,
about that.
Are you done with it?
Yeah, Derek, it's you.
Oh shit.
Okay, more
Okay.
joke, yeah.
Okay. You know what? So this guy basically started the whole thing. So let's start with Alvin itself, dude. He was the one who asked everyone for the fucking roast. So let's go. So the first time I met Alvin, okay, this guy fucking can't sit in one place, dude. He's got to warm up his ass, which keeps wriggling, and he's like, he has to dance around fucking has to do something or the fucking other. But then that is still okay, dude. So, the three of us, we have did BBM, BBA, whatever. And this guy did BA. Dude, so BA and his sex life is so similar. It's so similar. It's basically theoretical, but there's no practical at all. It's fucking just theoretical the whole time.
Oh damn!
And then what do I say, dude? Like, dude, the funny part is, so 2 days ago, we guys had a video call, okay? We guys had a video call where this guy, I asked him, like, what is happening? What can I roast you on? So he made a bad mistake on talking about his long distance relationship, which was for fucking 2.5 years. And I was like, wow, are you serious? Okay. So 2.5 fucking years is not a joke. A person has to be really loyal to do that. But dude, he's fucked his phone more than he's touched his girl, man. I'm not kidding. Like, fucking hell, dude.
Oh shit! Oh.
Like, dude, even a single guy is more happier than what he was in. Like, at least a guy, it's kind of like a guy watching a porn over and over again. But then the only difference is a single guy can watch multiple porn stars. This guy was stuck to just one. Okay. But dude, even after all that, I kind of feel bad for his girl, dude, rather than him, because I guess she's seen more of a black screen than she's seen him. I'm not kidding. Like, dude, I'm literally thank God this guy was in New Zealand and not in US. I'm not kidding. Otherwise, I don't know, fucking we'd have to protest for the Black Lives Matter thing.
Brown
Like,
Lives Matter.
fuck.
That's something I
Yeah,
was okay.
We stand up for that too. But we're there for you, bro.
Oh damn!
Oh man. So the best is this guy, he loves his bike so much, dude. He loves his bike that he's named it Emma. And okay, that's a girl's name, and fucking it's kind of like he's in a relationship with his bike, but then if you realize he's still in a long distance relationship with his bike right now. So basically, he's never left long distance relationship his whole life. Yes, it's just got to go like that. But okay, talking about Emma, dude. Fucking Sheil has Emma right now. So coming on to Sheil, fucking dude, this guy has changed his girlfriend more than iPhone just put out their fucking. They launch mobiles, So,
आवाज बंद छोड़.
so Sheil. His, I like from how much I know him. I've seen 3 variations. It's like he's got iPhone XR with an Android version, and then he went on to iPhone XS, and then he went on to iPhone XS Max, and then he went on to iPhone XS. Like fucking, he went from that with Android, then he went there, then he went there. I'm kidding, but shit, dude, good choice. Like, oh shit, dude. But then, dude, if you actually look at Sheil, he's kind of like the living dildo, man. He's so thin that the girl would rather ride him than his dick. Like, literally. Fucking, this guy has so many fucking fractures. He's had so many fractures. It's not because of his fucking accident by his bike. It's because the girls ride the wrong thing, dude. Oh shit, man. But dude, let me tell this. The first time I met Sheil, who I thought of. The first time when I met him, I literally saw off Raju Rastogi's father. Like you can see him flat on the bed and someone scratching his back. Oh shit. But then that's what I feared, That's why I never went to his place, dude. Because I feared if I fucking go there and if I have food, I'll have fucking hair in my chapati. And who fucking wants hairy chapati, dude? Fucking hell, no. I am sorry. Not happening. But then, yeah. But, dude, she's been pretty cool. That was good. And talking about hair, man. We got a bald person in the house, man. Oh, fuck. But Ashwin, man. Ashwin, pretty chill. Like, the guy, the first time I met him, like, I met him through WhatsApp, okay? So I have a friend of mine from which I got to know him. So I guess, I don't know if he texted me, I texted him, but then we had a chat and this guy, I saw his DP, okay? I saw his DP and I'm looking at it. I'm like, fuck, dude, this guy might be like he has a kick-ass personality, fucking might be built and shit. I'm like, TK, when I fucking saw him in live, he's like fucking Rick Ross who's singing Purple Lamborghini with Dinchak Pooja's fucking voice, dude. Like, you gotta fucking listen to him. His voice. Oh fuck, dude. But then, if Ashwin literally has sex in another room, and if anyone listens to them, it's gotta be like people are gonna assume there's a lesbian in the other room because both the female and him are fucking moaning in a female's voice. And they'll be like, oh shit.
Fucking bastard.
Oh, but then, yeah, dude. So, one fact about. But then, last thing, man. Fucking Ashwin, his whole body is fucking so hairy, man. I'm not kidding. Like, I guess his parents dipped him in fucking castor oil when he was born, but then missed out on his head. Fucking, he went bald over there, but the rest body is fucking hairy. He can go out and fucking be Anil Kapoor, but with more hair on him.
Oh, man.
But then, peace out, man. You guys are like really nice. That was a good thing that you guys did all this. But yeah.
Bastard dating. You gotta go.
Let me finish my laughter, dude.
The best part of dating Sheil is you get a free certificate that you know how to pole dance.
Oh, I swear, dude, yeah. Like, I swear.
Chance is over, bitch. Your chance is over.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Okay.
Breathe. It's fine.
I'll
It's okay, take your
go
time.
with a person who's competing with me in poetry. Ashwin Nair.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ashwin once told me that
It's about
he didn't,
to
because he saw the regret in my eyes. But you know what, Ashwin? You need skills for that. The only skills you have is to disappoint your parents again.
Oh,
Oh
fuck,
fuck.
that
Oh
was dark.
fuck. Oh shit. That was so dark. Good.
That was too dark.
Ashwin is such a player. He goes on changing crushes like he changes clothes. Except those crushes never give him attention anyway.
Oh man.
जल्दी ना
Oh shit.
थोड़ा थोड़ा
Dude already काला है और कितना चलाएगा उसको?
Oh god.
Ashwin is so single that his bitch, that his dog also runs away from him because she might think that he might do something to her as well.
Oh shit. Oh man.
Ashwin is like Tinder in real life because he'll swipe right to every girl he'll see and he'll just talk to every one of them, but they'll brozone him in the end and he won't get anything apart from a brozone tag.
Oh fuck.
But Ashwin, this is a real life. This is no Game of Thrones that you can go and fuck your sister.
oh fuck dude
Oh shit. Nice. Fuck.
Okay, like Alvin told that he had so many problems in his real account on Insta. I'll tell you the real reason is he was so done with all the girls in his DMs that he had to change his account just to get new girls and so that he could be more poetic and again send them requests.
what the
Thank you.
Nice, dude. Nice.
Thanks. I'm scared, but thanks.
Oh,
Talking
man.
about Ashwin's best friend or maybe good friend, I don't know. Derek is here. Even Derek is in the room.
Oh, Mark.
So
Okay.
this is a real story. Whenever I used to meet Derek in the first year, I used to be like, "Hey, Derek," with a small D, and he used to respond with, "Have you seen it?" I'm like, "Nah, bro. Why would I see it? I've got to hear things from the girls you've tried to slept with. They've told that they've seen bigger penis than the one you have."
Okay.
oh fuck
He's going full dark magic here.
that's got to
Yeah.
hurt.
Fuck.
This has gone
Okay.
all dark. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, like what the fuck? Well, okay.
Derek here is so short that he doesn't have to worry about COVID-19 because he's already social distancing. He's always 6 feet apart.
Oh fuck. Okay. I saw that coming, bastard.
The best thing about Derek is whenever he laughs, it looks like he's getting an orgasm.
oh
That I agree to. Dude. My laugh is like that.
People like
Oh,
yours,
shit.
we go like, and he like,
Oh shit.
I think Derek out here has never had an opportunity to get a girl. That is why the laughter is orgasmic for him every time. Because he doesn't know what it feels like in real life.
Okay. Fuck.
Derek here is a huge fan of United. Even I am a United fan. But the difference between me, United, and you, I keep scoring. You cannot do that as well.
Oh.
nice
All right. Fuck.
Somebody just got red.
Yeah.
He's a
fucking
huge
hell.
football fan also. He plays football a lot of times. So the only balls that he gets is footballs because the girls won't give him anything else.
oh
Oh my god. Oh fuck. Okay.
Okay, so I would have concluded this by saying that the only string you'll get is to play with your guitar strings. But I think Alvin already said that, so I'm going to finish it right back.
Thanks, man. Thanks for that. Fucking hell, bastard. Fucking wrote more on me than fucking others.
Thanks for excluding me, bro. I love you so much.
wait are you serious
What?
no nothing
Dude, what?
Ashwin, just do how he's not understanding what's happening, dude.
oh yeah that could be one of the many reasons fuck you bastard
Ashwin was like, he had to cover up his entire face, but then he realized that if he covers up his entire face, only his dickhead part will be seen.
yeah
So the host for today is Alvin Francis Vaz. So give it
Thanks,
up for
sir.
Alvin to conduct this roast.
Yeah, dude. Good job, man.
You know, the only thing bigger than him is his ego.
Not that one, man.
But Alvin's a sweetheart, you know. You can tell him anything. You can tell him anything, all of your deep dark secrets. But he'll go around and tell 10 people out about them, and you'll get to know in the end that you're fucked. The last time Alvin was sex was probably when he was in sperm, trying to break his mother's eggs.
Oh.
Thank you.
Ouch.
In his mother's
Ouch.
womb.
Oh, shit. Ouch. I never saw that coming, but okay.
Alvin is like Aloknath of sex. Even if he wants to get it, he won't get it because he's so sanskari that every time anyone tries to give him a blowjob, he'll be like, "Nahi, rehne de. Pav chhu ke chali ja."
I can't hear you. What?
Alvin is that guy who will go all the way to another city to meet his ex. But you know what? He'll get rejected again and again over there as well.
Ouch. Oh,
Like the long
fuck.
list of rejections he's already got.
I'm not laughing. It's good.
Alvin's sex life is so boring that he had to ask his best friend about the condom sizes. And still, he ends up bringing the wrong condom size.
Oh, shit.
Oh, this one, Alvin, the song that I can relate to you is No Love by Eminem. Because, which, I'll leave it there. I won't say anything ahead. You know why? Because no love.
What?
No one loves you.
Yeah.
Because your mom is so savage that even if you go and get something for her, she'll still doubt if you've got it or not.
Ooh.
That's why she sent you to New Zealand.
Shit, dude. Oh, fuck.
Okay.
Okay, for the lady of the hour, Alvin. Okay, I've got something special for you. Okay. Whew, man.
Original.
Dude, the day you left for New Zealand, man, it was so much to sink in. I mean, the only thought that was constant was Govinda's GIF. इतनी खुशी मुझे आज तक नहीं हुई. It kept playing in my head over on loop the day Alvin left for New Zealand. Alvin could turn into a meme. Reality was his expectations meme. Expectations would be Ranveer Singh and reality would be Alvin's face. Alvin, I'd call you really handsome, but then we'd all know that I'm lying, so I'd choose not to. If I could be Alvin for one day, the first thing in the morning is probably look into the mirror the first thing in the morning and be happy that I shouldn't see the same face again tomorrow.
At least you'll have hair.
Fuck. Okay.
Alvin's typans are so bad that he gave 2 5 rupee coins for a chai that costs $10 and asked Bhaiya to keep the change.
Shit.
True story.
Alvin is so filmy that he believed if he kept saying palat, 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 his ex would look back as she walked out of his life.
Oh.
Oh.
Ouch. Dude, I
Traveling
feel
is
you,
so
dude.
therapeutic. I mean, people who know Alvin personally, the day Alvin leaves for a journey, everybody recovers from the emotional scars that Alvin has brought upon them. Okay,
Oh,
that's
my
all I've
God.
got for you, Alvin.
Thank you.
Sheel, apna dadi wala aurat. Okay, I've got something really special lined up for you too. Okay, so the day I realized we kept saying the same thing. Sarcasm is like electricity in India. Half of the country doesn't get it. That was the first day I realized what instant regret was. Meeting Sheel.
I told you a thunder bitch.
In a world of
fuck.
STDs, if the worst happened, they'd probably call it Sheel.
Shit, dude.
If condoms need to be endorsed and spread awareness about, all they've got to do is have a family picture of Shield, his parents, and his sister with a sad face pointing out at Shield.
Oh fuck. Oh, shit.
The only
Oh,
reason
no.
Shield's mom agreed to adopt Pluto, the puppy, the new member to the family, was because she at least needed one son to be proud of.
Oh. Oh fuck. Okay.
So Sheila started vlogging lately. So the other day he put up a video about his everyday, what his everyday rituals are. The next day YouTube pulled it down. You know what it said? Nobody gives a shit. She loves chai so much that he believes detox is a life without chai. You know what the real origin of all lives matter? The same day she'll agree to have a pillion.
Oh shit.
Oh god. I got it.
Oh man.
So
Oh, fuck.
the coach of Manchester United, right? The coach has warned the players about these two Indian creeps who are supposedly huge fans of Manchester United. One's a short guy, one's a really tall guy, one with a sense of humor, one without a sense of humor. So Derek, here goes. So Derek's got a job lately, right? He's working for Northern Trust. Congratulations, man. You're doing something that you really like. So Derek moved to Bangalore. He believed that it'd be a new opportunity to build on something, a new city, a new start. But the first thing that, little did he know, the first thing that he actually had to build was a fucking personality.
Okay. Okay.
Derek is so short that even Kevin Hart would call him Shorty.
Oh.
Ouch. Okay. Fuck. Those.
Ouch.
Derek is so short, he's probably one of the dwarves from Snow White.
What the fuck?
For that, you have to be white, bro.
Yeah, that's another thing. But okay.
So Derek is such a dick of a person. Any random person calls another buddy a laudu. Derek would just look back and say, "Hey bro, kaisa hai bro?"
Oh shit.
So this little fucker abuses so much, right? So he's so used to abusing that if you call him a chooth right now, he'll just giggle thinking it's a compliment.
I agree to that, dude.
I also.
What the fuck, Gauravi? Oh, what? Shit.
Derek loves non-veg so much that he sees anything moving, his mouth starts drooling.
Mm.
Oh, that's why when I
So-
walk past him, he drools.
No,
Could
fucking
be.
no. What the fuck? Why would I fucking drool at you?
It is
You
Derek. I can't
bastard?
take assurity of it. It is Derek. I have no assurity. There's no warranty guarantee. Not even his parents can give him that.
Okay. Okay.
So, I mean, like all of us know, the reason why we're doing this roast is because of the COVID situation. So, hats off to all the people on the front line who've been, fighting through the battle. And our Prime Minister, he had a small gesture of banging utensils to show respect. Okay, so respect to all of them. But there was an additional reason why I banged another additional reason. So, I couldn't hear annoying laughters from Derek all the way from Viman Nagar.
But bastard, I wasn't in Viman Bencho that time.
Ashwin.
I was in fucking
Ashwin.
Bangalore.
For the
That's why
vessel.
we didn't want to hear that either.
No.
Ashwin, for him to make the noise, somebody had to bang him.
So Derek is an amazing friend, right? He's such an amazing friend. If he had a friend with benefits, even she'd just want to be friends with Derek.
Ow. Oh, fuck. Okay.
Hypothetical situation, if Derek ever gets laid, I hope he tests Shield negative. Remove the STD wala joke. Yeah, that's the worst that could happen. So I don't want that to happen to you, Derek. So yeah, that's all I
Oh
have.
man, no. Fuck no.
Yeah. So that's that.
Ouch. I guess I might have gone a shade darker, dude, after everything. It was
Yeah.
too much to take in.
It was too much for it to sink it in. Oh God.
No, it's
Everyone would
okay.
go back in
Oh,
their
that was so
caves.
bad, dude. I need therapy for that.
Yeah, dude, same
In
here.
that case-
I feel the
In that
same.
cave, we won't be able to see three people. That is Alvin, Derek, and Ashwin, because they all three are black.
Nobody gives a shit what you
Nobody
think.
gives a shit. Nobody gives a
You
shit.
go
Yeah,
use the
nobody
pen,
gives a
homie, not a
shit.
problem. Fuck you little bitch.
Cool.
Dude, you shouldn't tell that joke, man. Fucking okay, no. I was going to
He knew that would backfire. He knew that would backfire.
He didn't say the joke, but I
And
got
he's-
the joke.
Yeah.
He's whiter than you are.
Nah, that I have no problem, dude. But then it's just your choice.
No, bro, chill. Hello? No, that's still there.
Ashwin,
Yeah,
Tarani, I met you at the start of college, and you've grown a lot since the time I've met you. You've been there for each and every one of us since day one, no matter what the situation is, and I can't thank you enough for that. And you've grown a lot, like I said. You've fought all your fights alone, you've become stronger, and you've come so far, and I'm really proud of you. Keep working on your writing skills, man. I'm sure it'll reward you one day. And stay the same, dude. Keep working hard. Love you and cheers.
Hey, that was sweet.
See, तू जितना annoying है, तू जितना irritating है, तू जितना तंग करता है,
That is
या
just
फिर तू जितना परेशान करता है, तो उतना ही अच्छा सिंपल इंसान है. पता है क्या? लाइक मैंने जितना तुझे देखा है, जैसे तू अपने रिलेशंस बहुत अच्छे से रखता है, फिर वो चाहे फ्रेंडशिप हो या फिर तेरे मॉम के साथ हो, तेरे डैड, और स्पेशली तेरा स्पेशल पार्टनर, तेरा डॉगो प्लूटो. तो वो बहुत अच्छी बात है कि रिलेशंस मेंटेन करना, फ्रेंडशिप अच्छे से रखना, लाइक तो और जेंटलमैन. एक हाँ, एक्चुअली डेफिनेशन बोलता है एज ए जेंटलमैन, लेकिन
we did not end it, but it's fine.
Basically, Shino, that's not true, dude.
Derek Meadows. You know, right? If you Google your name, Google is gonna define you as the most annoying little piece of shit. Yeah, that's what you are. But apart from that, I want you to know how grateful I am, how blessed I am to have a brother like you, a friend like you, and everybody deserves to have a friend like you for sure. Being the most youngest in the group, you are by far the most matured one. Someone I could look up to, someone I could, share and ask for advice. And you're always there, man, whenever I need you. You're always there mentally to support me. And I just can't tell you how grateful I am. And you matter to me. You mean a lot to me, man. All right, enough of this. Take care.
But yeah, so social message which I wanted to go for the roast was like I've seen it during the lockdown, a lot of people get roasted, a lot of negativity comes and hits us. We always get, because of our baldness or because of our height or because of the choices we make in life and dating. But we have to keep remembering that there is always a support system, somebody rooting for you, and they don't speak about it a lot. Like I chose 3 people who don't talk about their feelings, about connected to you all, and I thought of that message. So yeah.
Hey, Alvin, I'm really grateful for you putting this, taking
Because
this
therapy is
up.
expensive also. That's why.
Dude,
I didn't want you all to die. That's why.
best way to get out all your frustration on another person. But
The
then
ending was really
it was a
nice.
nice initiative, dude.
Yeah. By the way, you like Derek said about like the worm in my ass. Derek, sometimes I think that's you. You're just so small.
Okay.